Welcome on my channel Mathematics for class first year General Mathematics. Today we learned about determinant of a square matrix. Today in this video we cover the determinant of a square matrix. Definition. Determinant of a square matrix. The determinant of a square matrix A written as DET, that A is denoted as arrays of numbers called and entries or elements disposed in horizontal rows and vertical columns and is enclosed between single vertical bar. Thus, here we have a matrix A. Determinant of matrix means matrix A in the two bars equal to determinant of A is equal to these are the elements of matrix A and these are in these bars. I want to show you a very easy example and very easy definition of this determinant. So let us define determinant in our own words, and this is very easy definition of determinants. Any square matrix can be represented by a unique number which can be calculated. It means a square matrix can be represented by a unique number, one number, and this number we calculated by after some process of this square matrix denoted by DET of A. It's special. This number or this determinant is a special because it has a wide range of application. First we can use that for finding area of triangle. Second, finding A inverse. Third, we can solve linear equations by using this determinant. For example, we have a matrix A having element A, B, C, D. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. We know that we only find determinant of square matrix. So we have taking an example of 2 cross 2 matrix. Then its determinant we can write as determinant of A is equal to A, B, C, D. We write elements of A in bars. We can find determinant only for square matrix. We can solve this as determinant of A or determinant of A. These are same. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of A. This is equal to, we write elements of element of matrix A in the bars, and next we multiplied A by D minus C by B, and we can write them as this is equal to AD minus BC. A times D minus B times C. But for 3, this is formula for determinant, for finding determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. But when we have to find determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix, let us take an example. A is a matrix of 3 cross 3. This is equal to A, B, C D, E, F, G, H, I. This is a matrix of 3 cross 3. Listen to this very carefully. If I will be showing you one of the way to solve for the determinant. There are many ways, but I show you one way. We have to find determinant keeping the first row as the reference here. First row as a reference here. First element is A. Now the element A will be multiplied with that. It's important. We exclude the first row and first column. We want to multiply A with remaining elements of excluding first row and first column. So we can write it as determinant of A is equal to A multiplied by E, F, H, I. Determinant of E, F, H, I minus B. This is very important to note that these elements, when we take a element, we exclude its row and column. Now we have to take element B. So we exclude second column and first row, and all other elements shown in a determinate position and multiplied with B. D, F, G, I. D, F, G, I. And next we have positive sign with C multiplied by. Now we ignore elements of third column and first row. Third column and first row. So we multiplied the elements of D, E, remaining elements H, G, H. It is very important to note that first element A having sign positive, second B negative, C positive. This is a rule that determinant have sign in the form positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive, negative, positive. If you learned by heart this rule, you never forget and you never fail in your exam. Next we have observe that first row have elements A, B and C, and we calculating our. We observe that first row having elements A, B and C, and we multiplied these elements by these determinants of small matrices, 2 cross 2 matrix. Solving it further, it can be written like determinant of A is equal to A. We solve this by using the formula of determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. E multiplied by I, E I minus F H minus B, D multiplied by I, D I minus F G plus C multiplied by D H minus E G. This is the formula for the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix first row plus minus plus and first row plus minus and plus and multiply with respective determinants of remaining matrix, and this is called and that's how we solve the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix.